morning and welcome to another video, and today I am making these alarms and doorbells. So yeah, my name is Anthony if you didn't know. So let's get on with the video. Woo! So yeah, first we're going to open this thing up. Oh, so yeah, we're opening this thing up. So right here we got manual. And guys, batteries not included. Excuse me, guys. So, sorry about that, guys. There was, yeah, so. Whatever. So, we got our things. Batteries not included. So you got our things. I'm going to put them on the table here. Guys, this is my first time, so it's doorbells and alarms. There's even a fridge alarm. Bet it's going to be useful for some people. And now we need the manual. So, button, light sensor, the bleeper, AAA. Guys, 3 AAA batteries. This is power base. The power base is 1. I don't know. See guys, here I've got my batteries, and now I'm going to open this compartment. Okay guys, 1 battery in. This is power base. The power base is 1. I don't know. 2 batteries. Forgot. You should put this onto your thing. That's the light sensor. Wait, I put it like this. And we need to put it in power and see how it works. So for the alarm, the light sensor, you need to put some aluminum foil or a piece of paper for this interesting project. Use the same assembly for logic box above project. Okay. I'll go get a piece of foil. That's 3 batteries in with the compartment on. So yeah. Back to the manual. awesome. The yellow ones are the input blocks. Those are them, the input ones. Which triggers the system, creating a signal of a variety of sensors, and this kit follows input block and the light sensors. So yeah, these are light sensors. Yeah, I know that. And the output blocks, the bleeper is this red one here. So I need to plug in button block to power base. Plug the bleeper. Okay, so one. Next we need the blue one. Didn't even have a blue one. Oh, I understand. Right.
This big one. This is the blue one.
Yeah, I understand. So, the blue one's already attached. Next we need to, and now we got the base. And then we got the Morse code machines. There's a Morse code chart, and it has things from A to Z, different sounds. Wait, what do we need to do with the? Sorry about that, guys. We got a fridge alarm. Yeah, we'll do that. Yeah. Yes. Turn the power in place. Yeah. So everything is with the power, but we'll do that now. Okay. So hey guys, I got my piece of foil, and I'm going to. The manual said to try and put a piece of foil on it. We'll see. Not working. Oh yeah. I have to put it in the door. I have to put it in the door, guys. So to activate it, press this button. And this sound it makes. How cool is that, guys? So yeah, this is a very cool product. And yeah. So guys, it is the end of this video. Please like, subscribe and hit the bell if you want to see more videos. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye guys!